Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer GoDaddy domain to Hostinger account. Now, since I don't have a GoDaddy domain, I will show you how you can do it step by step within this window right here. So, as you can see, how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger in 4 simple steps. Now, first step is pointing the domain to Hostinger name servers. Now, during the transfer process, the DNS settings are uneditable. Therefore, you need to point your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger before transferring it. So what you need to do is you need to log in into your GoDaddy domain portfolio page and choose the domain by ticking the corresponding checkbox. And then all you have to do is click the name servers menu and select I'll use my own name servers and insert hosting servers right here. So you need to copy these servers right here. These are name servers from Hostinger right here. So just make sure to put that here in the GoDaddy and then choose save and continue. Now, if you have any protection or anything, you need to verify your identity, SMS or authenticator app as well. And then you'll see success pop-up window. Now, as you can see, note that it is possible to keep the domain within the original provider and only point it to Hostinger. This can happen. This way, the domain will connect to where your website files are hosted, even if you use a different domain provider. Second is unlock the domain at GoDaddy. Now it's time to unlock your domain on the current provider. Now all you have to do is sign into your GoDaddy domain portfolio page and just tick the checkbox next to the domain. Choose the lock menu and select turn lock off to unlock your domain. Then you will need to review the domain and click continue. If you enable domain protection, just verify your identity and that is pretty much it. Now, number 3 is obtaining the authorization code. So by doing that, you can get it by opening GoDaddy domain portfolio page. And yes, by doing that, you can actually go and obtain the authorization code. So as you can see, select the domain to access the domain settings menu. And then under the additional settings section, click transfer domain away from GoDaddy. Now here, read the transfer checklist for more details. If you want to transfer a UK domain, you need to insert a IPS tag of our register, which is register EU, and click complete transfer. Now choose continue with the transfer. Once GoDaddy will deactivate the domain privacy setting just to ensure the contact info is transferred to the new register. Now to get your EPP code, click here to see authorization code and click copy to clipboard. Now these steps are basically automated because you're just following these steps as you're obtaining the authorization code. Once that is done, the web hosting provider will also send the authorization code to your domain's administrative email address, and then check the transfer status by going to transfers and then transfer out. Now type the domain name in the search bar, and as a result, it will appear in the check the status column. Now all you have to do is initiate the domain transfer at Hostinger. Open the Hostinger domain transfer page if you haven't registered yet. Alternatively, you can log in into your web hosting account at Hostinger and click transfer domain. And then as you can see, this is how it's going to look like right here. Just put a domain, click transfer, and then pick a period between 1 to 3 years, create a login to your account and select the payment method. Once you select the payment method, enter the APP code and select use Hostinger name servers and DNS records. Once you do that, you will get an email to confirm the transfer, and that's pretty much it. So this is how simple it is to go and transfer GoDaddy domain to Hostinger account. Now obviously, if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.